Hi, Mira is back, and so here you go. While I'm cooking my pork squid adobo, I have my ingredients for mixed seafoods in coconut milk. So I have a blue crab here, and I have a mussel here, and I have prawns here. So everything is clean, and I need ginger for that, pepper and garlic, and of course the coconut milk, and then salt to taste. That's all. So anyway, I'll see you back later. By the way, I'll show you, since the crab is whole, I have to cut it half. Okay, so here you go. So you just have to be careful and be mindful. There you go. So here you go, that's it. It's all fresh. So I just have to cut it half. You just have to cut it half, and that's it. So that's all you're gonna do. Okay, all right, I'll see you back later. Bye guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna saute now for the garlic and onions for my mixed seafoods in coconut milk. So make sure your pan is too hot, and then you're gonna put it like that. Well, it's not really hot. There you go. Yeah, see? And you just have, it's beginning to hot now. And it's beginning to, yeah, you just have to do like that, okay? And then you put your ginger and bring it to saute too. And with your pot, with your onions. Like that. Here you go. In 30 minutes, my visitor is coming and I'm still cooking. Here you go. Just like that. And my seafoods is here. Like what I said, I cut it half. And you know what you do with this clove? Is it clove? Isn't it clove? You just mash it with I mash it with this one, you know. So when it's cooked, it's already already mashed the clove, so it's not hard for the person who eats, you know, to open the clove. But as Filipino, we are very good in opening it, but some of them are not, okay? So here you go. And just do like that. So I'm cooking my pork still. Make sure it's tender before you putting the squid. So this is today. Again, cooking. Just like that. Once everything is cooked, you know, the onions and the ginger, once you can smell all the aroma, it means it's ready. So you put first the crabs. So you just have to do like that. Okay? You see that one? Just like that. Yeah. And because it's for the three seafoods combination I have, crabs is the one who takes a little bit of time to cook. So you have to put it first. And you know, mussel and prawns is, it's not really, you know, it's not long to cook. So here you go. You see the crabs is turn red. So you just have to do like that. And what I'm gonna do, I'll put now I have a coconut cream and a coconut milk. So I put first the coconut milk. So later on, you put the coconut cream. So this is the coconut milk first, okay? That's how we're gonna do it. And then I have a little bit of home pre-made like bruise. So and just do like that. Okay? And there you go. And you gonna put the lid first. Here you go. You can see it like that. Put the lid first, and then once it's what do you call this one, once it's turned red, put everything. Put the mussel and prawns. You know, like what I said, the prawns and mussel doesn't takes a while to cook. So here you go. So I'll show you my you know, the fried potato dumplings I have. Here you go. So it's not really what do you call this one, just a little bit of golden brown, you know. Some I didn't have success, some burst. Ate already the burst one and keep the good one for the visitor. Anyway, look, when you're cooking, you have some failures and some success. So next time it makes you gives you a lesson, like now that I should really follow the instruction that once it's float, what do you call this one, it's cooked. But I'm all carried away with all my stuff here because, like what I said, I'm cooking 3 course today. I'm a bit like chaotic in the kitchen. And anyway, I think I'm gonna be okay. So what time is it now? 2:30. So here you go. And Rick get me a coffee, but up to now I didn't drink the coffee. Anyway, hi guys, I'm back. So now it's cooked. So you see that it's already red. So put the prawns and put the mussel, okay? And yeah, see, just like that. And put the cream now. You can put the coconut cream now, just like that. There you go. In few more minutes, my visitor is coming just perfect. Our food is still hot, apart from my entry. So put it high and just do like that, okay? And as you can see, the prawns or the shrimp, whatever you call it, it's already red. So turn red. So you just have to do like that, and yeah, so make sure it's you don't need to, and then put the lid on so the steam will cook that, just like that. Here you go. And so here you go. We have to check our things because it's not yet it's getting there, and just have to and put chili on it on the top. Make sure it's a bit of spicy. Not too much spicy though. I don't know my visitor if like spicy or not, but yeah, I'm gonna put chili. Okay, I have red chili and green chili. I'll combine it, and there you go. So that's my, and I have a chili last the other day. I what do you call this one, I did harvesting a little bit of my chili. This time we don't have much chili. So here you go. I put two and put this one like that. Okay, and then later on with the shallot. Oops. And oh, here you go. Anyway. Okay, so I'll put this chili on my mixed seafoods in coconut milk. And the small one, it's not spicy, really. I mean, in my standard, it's not spicy. Anyway, smiling with I say in my standard, because sometimes for me it's not spicy, but for others might be spicy. So I just do like that. There you go. And then put it in your mixed seafood in coconut milk. Here you go. And I think they are I need a big bowl of this. Do I have a big bowl for this to serve? Here you go. The mussel is already cooked. It's opening now. Just like that. Just like that. And I see that I'm gonna taste it. Yeah. Okay. I think this one is cooked too, so I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so here you go. Here you go, here you go. It's just like that. May I have a look? Just the way like that, okay? And then that's it. And now my sink is full, so I need to clean it up before my visitor comes. So I'm gonna see it later. Bye. I'm back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I have here a mixed seafoods in coconut milk. So here you go. So like what I said, I have 3-course meal. I have potato dumplings here, and pork squid adobo, and I have mixed seafoods here, and my friends is here now, and well, plenty of wine. Plenty of wine. And okay, thank you guys for watching today, Cooking with Mira. And if you like the recipe today, just pop a message if you have questions, or hit like and share Cooking with Mira on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna say bye. Thank you.